to all. Today I am here to share a few words about Bapu and BP. Lord Baden-Powell was a British general and founder of the modern scouting movement. BP was born on 22nd February in 1857 in London. His father was died when he was just 3 years old, and it was left to his mother Henrietta to bring up Baden-Powell and his siblings. BP was described as a young adventurer. He had organized an experimental camp at Brownsea Island in Poole Harbour. He became a national hero during the Boer War. With a small garrison, he commanded the defense of Mafeking. He went to write his ideas in a book called Scouting for Boys, published in 1908. He felt it could be used as a focus for young boys to give them more meaning in life. This led to the creation of Scout movement. During his lifetime, it grew to be a respected international organization. And as going through Mahatma Gandhi, Gandhi was the great Indian figure who enlightened the world with the principle of truth and non-violence. He raised his voice against the discrimination that was done against the Indians and other dark people. However, he always adopted peaceful means. He was a saint and also praised even by the British community, and also a great freedom fighter who led India as a leader of the nationalism against British rule. He has been given another name by Rabindranath Tagore, the Martyr of Nation, since 1948. During Quit India movement, he asked Indians to do or die for the freedom of the country. And finally, we can recognize that both Bapu and BP, they are only two persons with the same stout mind with the aim for the improvement of the society. Methods and thoughts are entirely different, but finally both are reaching to one destination, that for the public. There is a thought that given by BP about happiness, that happiness does not come from being rich nor merely being successful in your career nor by self-intelligence. And Gandhi too said that happiness is when what you think, what you say and what you do in harmony. Both Bapu and BP are giving more importance to education too. Gandhiji's aim was to get independence to India with non-violence, that means powerful weapon called ahimsa. And BP's aim was to develop good citizenship among the young people by forming their character, training them in habits of observation, obedience and self-reliance. These two aims reveals that thus both great personalities are promoting selfless service to get a better citizen. Thank you.